Friends, I am sitting along the Sanen River in Switzerland. This is the place where J. Krishnamurti gave talks for 2.5 decades from 1961 till 1985. It's a beautiful land, full of beauty, full of blessings. Krishnamurti said, benediction is where you are. I don't have to go anywhere to search for that benediction. But wherever I am, I can connect to life, to oneself deeply. And the benediction is there, not far away from me. It is within each one of us. It is at every moment if one is open. What is taking us away from that benediction? That is the question. Usually our activities of thought of the self takes away from the benediction. Our self-centeredness, the movement of the eye, which is a creation of thought, is covering us, is separating us from that benediction. We forget it when we are clouded by all the movements, activities of thought, and we are lost. And then we search for benediction somewhere else, far from us. But benediction is simply here and now. We don't have to go anywhere. That blessing of life, the grace of life is wherever I am. I have to simply be open to that benediction. So why do I separate myself? Why do I create separation? And this separation is created by thought. This separation is created by the me, which is a creation of thought. When the activities of me are clouding me, clouding my heart, my mind, then I move away from that benediction, from that beauty of life. So can I connect to that benediction, which is here and now? And in order to connect with that, I have to be really awake, attentive to all the activities of thought and the mind. And see this immense beauty, this immense blessing of life, which is present now, like this river, which is flowing so beautifully without any resistance. There are some boulders, some stones on the path of the river, but river is not fighting with any stone. It is just moving around beautifully, flexibly. So can we discover that river of life inside us? That is the river of blessing, of benediction. And we are the manifestation of that benediction. Each creation on this earth, in this universe, is a manifestation of that benediction. But we forget that. We think that we are disconnected from that. We separate ourselves from that because of our self-centeredness, because of our fears created by thought. The real security is in love. It is in this benediction. Thought can give very temporary security, which is actually artificial security. But the real home, the real beauty, the real security is in this love, in this timeless love, timeless compassion, in this timeless benediction, which is here and now. Can we live from that ground of the sacred, ground of that timeless beauty every day in our life? Then life is a miracle, a magic, every day, every moment. then each human being is a sacred manifestation of the same energy. There is no separation at all wherever we are.